Hey there, welcome to our channel. Today we are talking about passive income, specifically how to earn it through an online business. Yes, you heard that right, money while you sleep. Sounds too good to be true? Stick around and you might change your mind. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss an opportunity to make money online and grow your wealth. Now let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. Passive income means making money with minimal effort without a direct link to your working hours. Passive income keeps rolling in, even when you are not actively working on it. Of course, you have to work hard initially to make it work, but when it's done, you can let it run to earn money passively for the months or years to come. Let's review some of the best ways to make money online passively. Number one on our list is starting a blog. You might think blogging is saturated, but trust me, there is always room for unique, authentic voices. You earn from blogging mainly through affiliate marketing and advertising. If your blog grows a large enough audience, companies may even pay you to write sponsored posts. What's the key to successful blogging? The key is to provide valuable content that resonates with your readers. Choose a niche that you are interested in with high earning potential, so you will have the energy to persevere in the long run. Write at least one blog post per week and optimize each article for SEO to get free organic traffic from Google. Once you get significant traffic, apply to affiliate programs and add your affiliate links to your post to start earning commissions. But what exactly is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is where you promote a company's product or service and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. You could start a YouTube channel or a blog focusing on product reviews and recommendations. Amazon Associates is one of the most popular programs to start with. Next up, we have got YouTube. As we have already discussed with the blog, you can also do affiliate marketing with YouTube and add your affiliate links in the description of your videos. YouTube has over 2 billion monthly active users, and most people prefer to watch videos instead of reading articles, so you might get lots of clicks and referrals on your affiliate links. With affiliate marketing, it's crucial to promote products that you truly believe in. Authenticity is the name of the game. With YouTube, it's really important to focus on providing value and creating engaging content. Optimize your titles and thumbnails. You should maximize your click-through rate or CTR as well as your watch time. Once you get at least 1000 subscribers and 4000 hours of watch time, you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program and start earning revenue from ads. YouTube is generous with creators, giving you 55% of all ad revenue on your channel. Later, you can create your own product and market them to your audience. Moving on, let's talk about online course creation. Are you an expert in something? Can you teach others a skill? Then course creation might be your ticket to passive income. You can sell your courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, or host them on your own website. The beauty of it? You create the course once and sell it multiple times. As it's a digital product, you don't have to worry about shipping and manufacturing, so you have fewer headaches and it's very profitable. Our fourth idea is selling other digital products. This can be anything from ebooks and templates to stock photos, software or music. The possibilities are limitless. For example, you can sell Google Sheets on your site or Canva templates on Etsy. Remember, the best digital products solve a problem or fulfill a need for your customers. Once you have created a product, you can continue to sell it without any additional work. Last but not least, consider starting a dropshipping business. Here you are the middleman. Customers order products from your online store, but a third-party supplier handles the stock and ships the product directly to your customers. Dropshipping requires upfront effort to set up, but once it's rolling, it can be a source of significant passive income. And the best part, you don't need to worry about inventory or shipping. However, it's great on paper, but it has its drawbacks too. For example, dropshippers often provide a poor customer experience and it's hard to get repeat sales. You often have a long shipping time and you don't do quality control. Your supplier can mess up with the shipment, margins are tight as you have to pay for the product on top of paid ads and the e-commerce platform you use like Shopify. You also have huge competition, as you sell the same products as other people, even if you try to differentiate yourself with some branding. Dropshipping is good to get your first experience in entrepreneurship, learn marketing and how to sell online. However, you should later transition to making your own brand. There you have it. Those are our top 5 ways to make passive income online. But don't forget, while the income is passive, the setup requires hard work, dedication and creativity. So take your passion, mix it with perseverance, and you have got a recipe for online success. Now it's your turn. Choose a method that resonates with your skills and interests and give it a shot. Remember, every successful entrepreneur started where you are today. They just took that first step and kept going. Got questions or thoughts to share? Drop them in the comments below. I always love hearing from you, and I will do my best to respond. Also, let me know if there are other topics you would like me to cover in future videos. Before we wrap up, if you have found value in this video, please hit that like button. It helps to spread the word and reach more people. If you haven't subscribed yet, now is the time. We bring you actionable tips and strategies every week to help you create your wealth online. Remember, the path to success is often the road less traveled, so be bold, be creative, and be the architect of your own destiny.